Hi everyone, welcome on board. This is Anisha here. Today I'm talking to you guys about all the top integrated programs that we have. Like, colleges where you have BBA plus an MBA, a 5-year program, which helps you to understand and, skip the whole challenge of writing CAT exam, right? So we are talking about the BBA plus MBA IIM colleges. The first one which you have is IIM Indore. They are the ones who started the whole IPM integrated program, which is there. The batch size is 120 seats. The fees is 30 lakhs for 5 years program, which is pretty economical when you look at, doing a CAT and an MBA plus a BBA program usually. The average which is there, the placement stats are the same as what it is for IIM Indore MBA program, because how it works is for the first 3 years you have a BBA program, and then the next 2 years of your MBA you are merged with the same batch of CAT people who come into IIM Indore for an MBA. So that's why your placements are good. It's a 23.6 lakhs average package, and the highest was 56.8. And you have all the amazing recruiters like BCG, Kearney, Bain and Company, McKinsey, Amazon, Uber, TAS, HUL, L'Oreal, all of them that come on campus. So that's the beauty of it. You get to know the campus so well. You imagine, you are 2 years of MBA is so much of fast-paced life for you guys, but you know the campus much better since you have spent 3 years in the same campus with the same teachers and getting your core basics of MBA done prior itself. So that's really good thing about the IIM Indore program IPM. It has its own entrance exam called as IP MAT, which is much easier when you compare it to CAT. But yes, it has to be given right after your 12th standard. So when you are in your 11th, you should start preparing for the same. All right. Next, we had the integrated program started by the Rohtak campus, which has a batch of 160 students. 30.5 lakh is the fees for the entire 5 years program, and the same concept here again. So a lot of colleges, non-IIM colleges, they have BBA and MBA programs, but they are not a part of the core or the flagship MBA. They don't merge with it. But when it comes to the IIMs, they do merge with the same. So that's the advantage you have with respect to all your placements. See, IIM Rohtak, the average placement is 14.69 lakhs and the highest is 25.5. Overall, there have been 128 recruiters. Okay. And the recruiters, we have amazing recruiters coming to Rohtak now. It's an upcoming IIM. In fact, you have Capgemini, you have ICICI Bank, there is Tata Steel, KPMG, Mu Sigma, all of these which come in with really good profiles. And you have even from the consulting firms, we look at, Bain and Company coming in, which is a very big brand when it comes to the whole consulting cohort of companies, right? Next, we talk about IIM Ranchi. This is a new program. This has been launched recently. A 120 students batch, fees being 29 lakhs. Average is 14.69 and highest is 26.5. And if you look at the kind of placements, in fact, IIM Ranchi has been doing pretty well with respect to placements, corporate exposure, and the peer group as well. I have seen a lot of students from IIM Ranchi, and they definitely have a little spark in them, which is to keep winning, keep trying and doing a lot of things. So you'll have a good competitive peer. See, MBA is all about learning from your peer group, right? So make sure you guys are always putting yourself in a batch which is always doing better than you or pushing you to do more things, right? So that's a great advantage which comes with IIM Ranchi. Another one very upcoming program is this is launched this last year only, which is 2020 itself, is the IIM Bodh Gaya program, where the average is around 11.02 lakhs and highest was 20 lakhs package. It's a short, smaller batch size with 60 students and a fees a little lesser, 28.5 lakhs, but definitely coming up. The location of it is something which is a concern at times, but it is going to be upcoming. It has a lot of opportunities to grow. In fact, has a lot of right faculties, I must say, who are doing things to push you out, and the kind of batchmates which are there who are doing really well to pull up. You don't always get in companies like a McKinsey coming on campus, right? So if that is coming, that's a big thing to talk about. And last we talk about is the IIM Jammu, where they have the newest batch, which is a batch of 60 students. 29.35 is the fees. Average is 10.34 lakhs and the highest is 32 lakhs. Good recruiters right from Deloitte, Infosys, Wipro, HCL, all of these which are coming on campus. Now they have their own entrance exam. So for IPMAT, if you are aspiring to go ahead, like if you are aspiring for a 5-year course, IPMAT is for IIM Indore. There is IPMAT Rohtak, which is explicitly for Rohtak campus, and you have JIP MAT, which is a combined exam conducted by IIM Jammu and IIM Bodh Gaya, which has been launched for these two campuses. So students who are, right after your 12th planning to take up these exams, you need to give all of these exams and keep your options open for all of them. All right, I hope the video was helpful to give you guys a fair idea about the top IIMs which have the 5-year integrated program. Stay tuned to the channel. We'll be covering up a lot more with respect to which are the other colleges, non-IIM colleges, which you can get in for the top BBA colleges and MBA, BBA plus MBA integrated programs. All right, thank you so much. Bye-bye, take care.